Let's make job site key management even easier with changing out cylinders on a Knaack padlock. Pretty easy, right? But let's take it step by step. Check it out. We've designed Knaack locks to minimize as much space as possible to keep your gear even safer than before. The only tool you'll need is a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Unlock the Knaack padlock and keep the key inserted. Remove the cylinder retaining screw inside the lock. Be sure to hold on to it and place it to the side. The cylinder will now slide out. Put it to the side. Grab the new cylinder and key. When inserting the new cylinder, ensure the key slot is closest to the Knaack logo. Once installed, the new cylinder should sit flush to the padlock body. If the cylinder is positioned correctly but still doesn't sit flush, turn the key clockwise until it properly aligns. With the cylinder installed, secure it by reinstalling the retaining screw. Tighten the retaining screw until it's securely in place. Now that the padlock's reassembled, time for a function test. Open and close the padlock a couple times, making sure the cylinder is secure in the padlock. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cylinder in your Knaack padlock. Now you can manage your boxes with one key or set up access however you want. To order new cylinders and keys, head over to knaack.com/info. Knaack Padlocks. Designed by Knaack, for Knaack. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to follow us on our other socials as well.